Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Move. And today, guys, me a flow. Me not feel good. Me not feel well. But today, I can work off it go. And when I say, when I ease up. We're there with RajahWild. Grung. So the song name, Grung. So, I'm guessing it's a gangster track. So, let's jump in on and hear what the G say. Let's go. Midnight, 10 hour past go. Okay. A lie?
Just give me a light. Watcha, move on this a ground, enter the scene, fuck it up with a bounce, me leave with 3 dance, my man under the rum.
Enter the scene, fuck it up with a bounce. Me leave with 3 dance, me under me rum.
Enter the scene, fuck it up with a bounce. Me leave with 3 dance, my man under the rum. I seen a life, so up for the funds. Baby, if you know I fuck with a dance. Fuck with her. I just the vibes, me no junk, never 2 man step above.
Never 2 man step, 100 man squad strong. No violation of street. Have to make sure so the team there, you see it? Yeah.
I just the vibes, me no junk, never 2 man step above. 100 hours. Move on this a ground. Baby, if you know I fuck with a dance. Get a step, I'm a step. Get a step, I'm a clocks, boot there, I'm a crep. From a liquor, I'm a pass through. I fucking hell, still I beat them bad. Frank White, I'm a belt. Get your hack, I'm a rock. I'm a cock with a spoon, with a pot. Still I live in the trap, I doesn't kill it on the block.
And where the blood clot I go on there, sir? Where my cookie? How my cookie money? How my cookie money, sir? Where go on there, sir? Wait.
I'm a crep from a liquor, I'm a pass through. I fucking hell, still I beat them bad. Frank White, I'm a belt. Get your hack, I'm a rock. I'm a cock with a spoon, with a pot. Still I live in the trap, I doesn't kill it on the block. Sinful. Get your hack, I'm a rock. Get your hack, I'm a rock. Get your hack, I'm a rock.
Oh, the blood clot I go on here, so. Somebody explain to me in the comment section what is, please. Somebody explain to me what is going on here in the comment section, please. Because I don't know. Also, let me just note. RajahWild is a young individual. Is a young man, I should say. Probably 19, 18, 19, 20. Him voice no match him voice no match him face. You have some artists where you see them look cool and calm, but when they open their mouth, problem. You see me? Tamil one of them artists there. Assassin one of them artists there. You see me? RajahWild, same way. Big up yourself, Rajah.
Get your hack, I'm a rock.
Get your rack here, man. One more walk on there, so do. Somebody tell me what go on there, so please.
I move on this a ground, enter the scene, fuck it up with a bounce, me leave with 3 dance, mama under the rum. I seen a life, so up for the funds, baby, if you know I fuck with a dance. I just survive, me no jump, never cheat, kill a step above 100 of us. I move on this a, baby, if you know I fuck with a dance. Now your vibes away under, baby, if you know me a gangster, show me a short, come grow with a anger.
Show me a throat coming grow with a hunger. Wagwan. He's gonna violate our throat. He's gonna abuse the throat. The voice box. Me Jesus. I never heard something like this in my life. He's gonna dismantle our
now your vibes away under. Baby, if you know me a gangster, show me a short, come grow with a anger. More like a dung if you know me a anchor. Fuck up in here with a hack. Tapping eyes, something up your throat like a bat. Bunny eyes, pussy up.
Tapping eyes and open up your throat like a brat, yo. Tapping eyes, you chat too much. Tapping, just open your mouth. Open your mouth, I'm gonna give you the aka 3,000. Just open your mouth. One time the rifle go in your mouth and you don't know see a be a aka go on. Had them Sunday you gonna make your rifle make. My God. I like it. I like the sound of that for her. If she's doing that, then that's down to her. But she's a brat. And RajahWild said, open up your mouth. Hey, girl, open up your mouth.
Up in our rack, tapping nice, something up a throat like a bat. Bunny eyes, pussy up for no this used to this front 2020, we a chat.
You see it? You see I'm young? Once I'm used to this from 2020, me a chap. 2020 just gone, right? I write this all like 3 years ago. You see me?
This used to this front 2020, we a chat. Baby, if you know you fuck with a hot back. I just 5 minutes jump, never cheat. I go 100 of us. Baby, get a step out, I'm a step. I'm a class boot there, I'm a cap, I'm a go, I'm a pass through. I fucking still a beat them, but Frank White, I'm a bear.
A Frank White production this. A Frank White production this. Big up Frank White. I'm them involved in the big bunks rhythm. Big bad rhythm RajahWild Lepan. Well, every girl I get wild out tonight. So Frank White, big up himself.
Still a beat them, but Frank White, I'm a bear. Send them, get a rock, I'm a rock. Get a rock, with a spoon, with a pot, still a
So the boss are cooking money. So the boss are cook up him. Oh.
another chopper doesn't kill him on the block.
Thumbs up means it good.
Get a rock, I'm a rock. Get a rock, I'm a get a rock, I'm a get a rock, I'm a rock. Yeah, MVG. Get a rock, I'm a get a rock, I'm a send
MVG, big up. KD Visuals, big up.
Get a step, I'm a step.
Frank White, big up yourself. Yo, thank God for the music scene. Not for them young artists, yeah? Them young artists, yeah, do it and them make a honest living through the music scene. So, the music right now, I boss a lot more young youth than we see before, than we ever see before, and we like that. We like that, you see me? So, yeah, music scene, I do it, and the young artists, I do it too, you see me? So, all I would say dance all dead. No, they just shift gear. That's it. You see me? Anyway, this is I'm going to leave that one and still pick up yourself, RajahWild. This is I'm going to leave that one. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more from a G. Leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.